Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making a no-bake strawberry cheesecake. Strawberry cheesecake in a glass is a fun way to eat dessert. It's easy to put together and it's a no-bake recipe too. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So these are the ingredients that we are going to be using. So we're going to start by crushing the biscuits. We're using digestive biscuits to Crumbs, using a Ziploc bag and a roller pin. So you want to close it tightly and then just crush it with your roller pin like this. This is going to add a nice crunch, flavour and texture to our strawberry cheesecake. So once you're happy with your crumbs, you can just take them out into a bowl. Then we've melted our butter a little bit, so we're just going to add in our butter. We're using 50 grams of butter. Then add in 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix well. So we're going to do this till all the crumbs are coated with butter and it's been mixed nicely. So now we're going to cut our strawberry into small pieces. So you're going to have to cut it into quite small pieces. And what we're doing is we're going to cut half of our strawberries into small pieces like this and leave half of them sliced. Like this. This will be used for decoration as well. So we're going to mix in a bit more sugar into our strawberries. These are all of our cubed strawberries. So we'll let this rest for around 5 minutes. If you like this recipe, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our crumbs. So we're using a see-through glass. You can take a bowl, a jar or anything. Then make sure you flatten it nicely like this. You can use another glass, a spoon or anything that you can just use to flatten it. Then we're going to make a ring of our cubed strawberries. Then we're going to add some cream. Then we're going to take our sliced strawberries and just put them in nicely like this. As you can see, it looks really tasty already, and I can't wait to try this recipe. Then we're going to add in another layer of our digestive crumbs, some more cream, finish it with some strawberries, and then it's time for plating. So if you like this recipe, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!